is Agent Leland Turbo. I have a flash transmission for Agent Finn mcmissile. Finn, my cover's been compromised. Everything's gone pear-shaped. You won't believe what I found out here. This is bigger than anything we've ever seen, and no one even knows it exists. Finn, I need backup, but don't call the cavalry, it could blow the operation. And be careful, it's not safe out here. Transmitting my grids now. Good luck.
All right, buddy, we're here. Right where you paid me to bring you. Question is why?
I'm looking for a car.
A car? Hey, pal, you can't get any further away from landing out here.
Exactly where I want to be.
Well, I got news for you, buddy. There's nobody out here but us.
What are you doing out here?
What does it look like, genius? I'm crabbing.
Well, turn around and go back where you came from.
Yeah, and who's gonna make me? All right, don't get your prop in a twist. What a jerk. Sorry, buddy. Looks like it's the end of the line. Buddy?